Hello everyone. ChatGPT is one of the wonderful AI tool can be used for the education. ChatGPT helps the teachers and students to search, learn, and implement anything. ChatGPT helps teacher in terms of learning the content, preparing the lecture notes, writing a research article, writing a textbook, and so many are there for the purpose of teachers. In other terms, for the students, it helps to write the project report, article writing, and also to search any codes. For example, if you want Python code for integrating LCD display, it will display. And there are so many purpose and gives you the goosebumps by using it. And make sure that you should not get into the plagiarism, and also don't go down with your creativity. Just have a try with ChatGPT and share your experience in the comment. Thank you.